Prior to the start of this video, all surfaces, containers, and products were thoroughly cleaned and sanitized with 70% alcohol. In this video, I will be showing you how I make a peach mango flavor, which is really just a scent, lip gloss. I will start with pre-measured oils, and I will be adding a lip safe peach flavor oil for the scent. Next, I'm adding a mango flavor oil to the pre-measured oils that I include in my lip gloss, which consists of fractionated coconut oil, castor oil, and vitamin E, which you see here. I am showing you the fractionated coconut oil, which all of these oils are organic. I just take them out of the bottle and add them to the droppers as it is more convenient for me. I am now going to be adding a lip safe mica powder. It is imperative that you make sure whatever mica powder that you are adding to your lip gloss or lip balm is lip safe, because all of them are not lip safe. And the last thing that you would want to do is add or use a mica powder that is not or cannot be safely used on the lips. Once you've added your mica powder to your oils, as you see here, you're just going to stir or mix it together very well. You want to ensure that the mica powder is incorporated throughout all of the oil and your mixture is homogeneous or thoroughly mixed. Almost so it's like one. And here you just see me thoroughly mixing it, using different directions, making sure I go along the edge. And I actually, when I'm mixing or using the mini spatula, I actually scrape it across the bottom of the glass just to make sure there is no mica powder settling on the bottom, so that when I pour it, everything will all come out and mix in the Versagel. After adding the mix of mica powder and oils to the Versagel, you want to go ahead and give that a nice stir or mix it together. As you see, when you begin mixing that, the texture is quite really thick. It's really separated, of course, so that's why you want to go ahead and stir it or mix it. As you mix it, they will begin to become incorporated into each other. As you see here, you no longer see a visual difference between the oil, the mica powder, and the Versagel. And you want to continuously mix these ingredients together and occasionally check it to see the viscosity or thickness of your product. Also, if you notice that your product is too thin or thinner than you would like, you can add more oils to it. If you would like your product to be thicker, then you would add more Versagel to it. But make sure whenever you add something to your recipe or product that you make sure you stir it or mix it in very well. In checking the viscosity, you will see that the more I have mixed it, the better the ingredients are mixed in, and the product is becoming less thick as it was towards the beginning of the video. And here I am just continuing to check and make sure that my product is how I prefer it. Different strokes for different folks. Some people prefer a thicker lip gloss or a thinner lip gloss or just right somewhere in the middle, and that's why I prefer to be somewhere in the middle between thick and thin. And here again, you saw me continuously mixing it and checking it to make sure it is where I prefer it to be. And I'm just going to go ahead and add it to its container that I keep it in. I do, for quality purposes, leave each lip gloss that I make in its container for a minimum of 7 days. This ensures that if there's any separation or anything that's going to occur, I am able to see that prior to packaging it in its tube and having to send that to a customer. So that is why I leave all lip glosses in its container for a minimum of 7 days prior to adding it to a lip gloss tube. That way I know that the product is how I expect it to be and how I would expect my customers to receive it. I I am a scraper, so here you see me literally trying to scrape all of the lip gloss off of the spatula. Don't ask me why I do that because I have no idea. Maybe it's the Capricorn in me. I don't know. But I have to scrape the spatula till I cannot scrape anymore. So that is what you will see for the next few seconds.